If you are struggling to improve the quality of your photos, then you are came in the right spot. In this video, I will teach you how to improve the quality of your photos. So let's dive into the video. First step, go to your browser and search await.com. The website link is also attached in the description, so check it out. So this is the interface of the website. Now drag the tools section and click image upscaler. Now either click choose a photo or drag and drop the image that you want to upscale. Give some time for processing. You see the image are much more quality than the previous image. You can also see the watermark on the upscaled image, but it will removed after downloading it. You can choose the magnifications like HD or SHD or USD from here. After selecting magnification, click save button in the below. It will automatically saved into your file manager. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more tech content. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. See you soon. Goodbye.